Hello to everyone! I'm Violetta in Russian for Foreigners today. Today we'll speak about Russian grammar. This is so useful and I think it's so important part because after this lesson you can understand how to write, how to read some words, and if you are speaking you can understand why you are speaking and sound this way but spelling another. So let's go to the board and I will try to explain you for instance from this word, the word voda. Voda, it means water. Voda, it's a noun, it's a water. Another one from this word can be adjective. Водный. Водный. So, вода, noun, but another one, adjective, водный. What is this similar at these two words? What can you see? The same part of these two words can be вод, right? This part stable and never change. Never. Вот, вот. Can you see? So another part, it can be end of the word, suffix or maybe prefix. But in these two words, not prefix, just suffix and ending of the word. Here, this is the end of the word. End of the word always change. It depends what you mean and depends of communication with another words in the sentence. So, for example, вода, вода, it's a noun, can change if you are talking about and using this word, but talking about different time, about future, about past. This part will change all the time, but the root words never change. I want you to understand what is a root word. Водный, вод. И, this is the end of the word, but this one, suffix. Okay. Another, дом. Дом, it means house. Дом. Домашний. Домашний, it's too familiar words, but дом, it's a noun, домашний, adjective. But what is the similar between two words? Again, it's a root of the word, дом. Дом never will change. But I will try to explain you at the next lesson how to use this ending of the words and why we are doing that. Before that lesson, you should know what is the root of the word. So here, дом, it's a house, дом. Домашний, it's an adjective from this word. Another one, свет. Свет means light. Свет, light. Again, noun, свет, light, but светлый, it means adjective from this word. Why? Because here, свет, it's a root of the word, and here you can find this part also. If you have some question, please ask me under this video. Okay, I will explain you again. Maybe I will record you like another video with explanation. So let's continue. So свет, свет here you can see it's the same, it's a root of the word. Again here it's the end of the word because it's changing all the time. It depends when you are using this word. So, and that one, it's a suffix. And I will try to explain you a bit what is a prefix. Yes, we have prefix also. For example, we have word in English rewrite. Re, it's a prefix, write. Okay, let it be root of the word. So the same word we have with the same structure I found. Переписать, rewrite, переписать. So писать, пис корень, root word корень, корень. So rewrite, it's a корень, and the word переписать, here at first we try to find this root of the word, it's a корень. How we can find? We try to find similar words and we can see what we have the same, what is the same part of similar words. Do you understand? So, писать, for example, письмо. Письмо. Again, пис, it's a root of the word, it's the same part, but пере, before the root of the word, you can see a prefix, before. You can't find prefix after the root of the word, after корень. No, you can't find it. It's just before. And sometimes it will change the meaning. Change the meaning. Sometimes completely, like write, rewrite. So you are writing, and after, when you put this prefix, this word change completely, meaning change completely. So переписать. So переписать means rewrite. Prefix, you understand. So I hope this lesson will be so useful, but if it's not exactly what you think that it's help you, you can ask me again question. We will speak about this topic again. I hope we will speak about this root of the word again at the next lesson. But I know that now you understand, like, generally. You should understand generally how it's working. I hope we'll see you soon.